Essay on Diwali. Introduction. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of the most popular and widely celebrated festivals in India. This 5-day festival signifies the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm by Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists, though the customs and rituals vary across different regions and religions. Diwali usually falls between October and November, depending on the lunar calendar. Historical and religious significance. Diwali holds deep religious significance for various communities. 1. Hinduism. In Hindu tradition, Diwali celebrates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after a 14-year exile, during which he defeated the demon king Ravana. The people of Ayodhya lit lamps to welcome their king, and this practice is carried forward as the lighting of oil lamps or diyas during Diwali. 2. Jainism. For Jains, Diwali marks the day Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara, attained nirvana, liberation from the cycle of birth and death, in 527 BCE. 3. Sikhism. In Sikh history, Diwali is significant as it marks the release of Guru Hargobind Ji, the sixth Sikh Guru, from imprisonment by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1619. 4. Buddhism. Some Buddhists, especially those in the Newar community of Nepal, celebrate Diwali to honor the conversion of Emperor Ashoka to Buddhism. The 5 days of Diwali. Diwali is a 5-day celebration, each day having its own significance and rituals. 1. Day 1 Dhanteras. This day is dedicated to wealth and prosperity. People clean their homes and purchase new items, especially gold, silver, and utensils. Dhanteras also marks the beginning of the festive season. 2. Day 2 Narka Chaturdashi. Choti Diwali. This day celebrates the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon Narkasura. It is marked by early morning rituals, oil baths, and lighting of lamps. 3. Day 3 Lakshmi Puja. Main Diwali. The third day is the most significant. On this day, Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, is worshipped. Homes are decorated with rangoli, lights, and candles. Families perform puja and seek blessings for wealth and happiness. 4. Day 4 Govardhan Puja. This day commemorates Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhan hill to protect the people of Vrindavan from heavy rains. Devotees prepare a variety of food items as offerings to the gods. 5. Day 5 Bhai Dooj. The final day of Diwali celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters pray for their brothers' well-being and success, and brothers give gifts as a token of love. Rituals and customs. The rituals of Diwali are diverse but generally focus on 3 main activities: cleansing, worship, and celebration. Cleaning and decorating. In preparation for Diwali, houses are thoroughly cleaned to welcome the deities. People decorate their homes with colorful rangoli patterns, lights, and flowers. The lighting of diyas symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. Worship. Lakshmi Puja is the central ritual of Diwali, where families worship goddess Lakshmi for prosperity. Ganesh, the remover of obstacles, is also worshipped alongside Lakshmi. Special prayers are offered, and devotees seek blessings for the coming year. Festivities and feasting. Diwali is a time for celebration, marked by family gatherings, exchange of gifts, and sharing of sweets. Fireworks are also a prominent feature of Diwali nights, symbolizing joy and celebration. Environmental and social impact. While Diwali brings joy and happiness, it also raises concerns over environmental and social impacts. The excessive use of firecrackers contributes to air and noise pollution, posing health risks to people and animals. Efforts have been made to promote eco-friendly celebrations by encouraging the use of biodegradable decorations, earthen diyas, and limiting firecracker use. Socially, Diwali fosters a sense of community as people come together to celebrate. The festival also emphasizes charity and giving, with many people donating to the less fortunate during this time. Conclusion: Diwali is a festival that transcends religious boundaries and brings together people from all walks of life. It symbolizes hope, renewal, and the triumph of good over evil. By embracing the spirit of Diwali in its truest sense, through love, kindness, and eco consciousness, we can ensure that the festival continues to shine brightly for generations to come.